Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we'll be diving in 35 MCQs on Spot the Error in English Grammar. Get ready to test your skills and spot those tricky mistakes. 1. Make the correction. If I would have known, I would have helped you. Had known. Tips: the third conditional structure is had plus past participle, not would have. 2. Make the correction. I didn't went to the market yesterday. Didn't go. Tips: after didn't, use the base form of the verb. Went is incorrect. 3. Make the correction. If I was a millionaire, I would travel around the world. Were. Tips: use were for hypothetical situations, subjunctive mood. 4. Make the correction. The teacher asked me what time is it. It is. Tips: in indirect speech, follow statement word order. 5. Make the correction. The car is more faster than the bike. The car is faster than the bike. Tips: avoid double comparatives, more plus 6. Make the correction. She is liking to play tennis. She likes to play tennis. Tips: use the simple present tense for states and preferences. 7. Make the correction. He has been knowing her for 5 years. He has known her for 5 years. Tips: use present perfect with no for a duration of time. 8. Make the correction. Neither of them are going to the party. Neither of them is going to the party. Tips: neither takes a singular verb. 9. Make the correction. Who did you spoke to? Whom did you speak to? Tips: use whom for the object of a verb or preposition. 10. Make the correction. If I was you, I would study harder. If I were you, I would study harder. Tips: use were in the subjunctive for hypotheticals. 11. Make the correction. The reason for he was late is unknown. The reason why he was late is unknown. Tips: the reason why avoids awkward preposition use. 12. Make the correction. She was boring in the movie. She was bored in the movie. Tips: bored describes feelings, boring describes causes. 13. Make the correction. There are less students in the class today. There are fewer students in the class today. Tips: use fewer for countable nouns. 14. Make the correction. She is more happier now than before. She is happier now than before. Tips: avoid double comparatives, more plus 15. Make the correction. The data is very clear. The data are very clear. Tips: data is plural and takes a plural verb. 16. Make the correction. I have been working here since 3 years. I have been working here for 3 years. Tips: use for with periods of time. 17. Make the correction. She insisted that he goes to the doctor. She insisted that he go to the doctor. Tips: use the base form after insisted in a subjunctive clause. 18. Make the correction. The shop is besides the library. The shop is beside the library. Tips: beside means next to. 19. Make the correction. I'm agree with you. I agree with you. Tips: don't use be with agree. 20. Make the correction. She asked him that where he was going. She asked him where he was going. Tips: use indirect word order in reported questions. 21. Make the correction. The teacher told to us a story. The teacher told us a story. Tips: told doesn't need to if the indirect object follows. 22. Make the correction. He is a such good student. He is such a good student. Tips: such comes before a slash and plus adjective plus noun. 23. Make the correction. They are very happily married. They are very happily married. Tips: use happily to describe how they are married. 24. Make the correction. Each of the students are responsible. Each of the students is responsible. Tips: each takes a singular verb. 25. Make the correction. She has a very less money. She has very little money. Tips: use little with uncountable nouns like money. 26. Make the correction. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. Tips: prefer is followed by to when comparing. 27. Make the correction. The police is investigating the case. The police are investigating the case. Tips: police is plural and takes a plural verb. 28. Make the correction. He has been working here for last year. He has been working here since last year. Tips: use since with a starting point of time. 29. Make the correction. She is more intelligent than her sister. She is more intelligent than her sister. Tips: use more to compare adjectives with more than one syllable. 30. Make the correction: I don't have some money. I don't have any money. Tips: use any in negative sentences. 31. Make the correction: the news are shocking. The news is shocking. Tips: news is singular despite ending with s. 32. Make the correction: he always makes mistakes, isn't he? He always makes mistakes, doesn't he? Tips: use doesn't he for a positive statement tag question. 33. Make the correction: it's too hot, isn't it? It's too hot, isn't it? Tips: use the correct punctuation for tag questions. 34. Make the correction: we went to the park with my friends and I. We went to the park with my friends and me. Tips: use the object pronoun me after a preposition. 35. Make the correction: I'm looking forward to hear from you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Tips: use gerund after the phrase look forward to. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like the video, drop your answers in the comments, and subscribe to Next Level English for more grammar challenges.